Ever wondered why it's okay to be lazy sometimes? Today, we're diving into the concept of a lazy day and exploring the surprising benefits that come with it. Picture this, a day with no obligations, no stress, just pure relaxation. That's what we call a lazy day. It's not about shirking responsibilities or being unproductive. It's about taking a well-deserved break and allowing yourself the luxury of doing nothing. A lazy day is like hitting the reset button on your life. It's a chance to recharge both physically and mentally. We live in a society that constantly pushes us to do more, achieve more, but sometimes doing less is what we really need. Why does a lazy day matter? For starters, it helps reduce stress. When we're constantly on the go, our stress levels can skyrocket. But by taking a lazy day, we give ourselves the chance to unwind and decompress. This can lead to better sleep, improved mood, and a more positive outlook. Furthermore, a lazy day can boost our creativity. When we're not focused on tasks and deadlines, our minds are free to wander and explore new ideas. It's during these quiet moments that some of our best ideas can come to life. Taking a lazy day also gives us the opportunity to reconnect with ourselves. In the hustle and bustle of daily life, it's easy to lose sight of our own needs and desires. But when we take a step back, we can gain a fresh perspective and realign with our personal goals and values. It's about knowing when to push forward and when to take a step back. It's about understanding that it's okay to take a break, that it's okay to do nothing sometimes. As we wrap up, here are the key points to remember about embracing lazy days. First, understand that lazy days are about recharging, not being unproductive. They help reduce stress, boost creativity, and allow us to reconnect with ourselves. Second, remember that it's okay to take a break. We live in a society that values constant action, but it's important to know when to slow down. Lastly, know that balance is key. Lazy days should not become the norm, but rather a tool to help maintain balance in our lives. So next time you're feeling overwhelmed, don't be afraid to take a lazy day. It might just be the best thing you can do for your well-being.